I'm a theater teacher.
Hello, my name is Naomi Braff, and I am Artistic Director and Magnet Coordinator.
Hello, my name is LaPria Davis, and I am the Science Department Chair here and 8th grade science teacher too as well.
So today we are going to talk about an ethical dilemma that is happening within our organization. Well, one specific thing that I observed. So a teacher in a staff meeting openly criticizes a student's cultural background, attributing their academic struggles to stereotypes associated with their ethnicity. This behavior not only undermines the student's dignity, but also damages trust within the school's community. Such actions violate the code of ethics of the education profession in Florida, which emphasizes the dignity, worth, and rights of all students, and calls for equitable treatment without bias. So today, I have a few discussion questions. We're gonna bounce back
off of Ms. Braff. I do agree with what she said. I state also that kids do have the same classes, so they can also, share the information with other teachers or other peers. This can become like how can I say, like a depression state for the student too as well, because of what the other previous teacher said. So I think that a teacher shouldn't violate their code of ethics just because of kids' sake and their ethnicities, their backgrounds. Right. What they have, because they're growing as they are in class and trying to learn like the new culture of the school that they're just embarking on. So I think it's a huge violation of that.
I would also say that as a teacher in education, you are not to. It's literally your job not to be biased against the student. They could be the worst student in the world, but it's at the end of the day, it's your job to educate the whole student, not part of the student, even if they are not, something that you agree with, or they have this type of, the way they look or anything like that. It is literally your job, regardless of the way that they look, to not discriminate and just educate the student.
So I just feel like if there's a teacher who is talking negatively about a student and they're being stereotypical, they're judging their background, then there is a block there. Right. They can't even reach the student or where they want to go because they already have this preconceived notion about who the student is. Right. And to be honest, within an organization when we're working with other teachers, we don't know the background of other teachers. So if you feel that way about a student, how do I know you don't feel that way about
me?
Exactly, about another teacher. So I feel like a lot of times teachers say things and they don't know that they might be hurting somebody's feelings in the room. Right. And that causes issues, that causes tension within the organization amongst the adults, amongst the teachers. So if we're dealing with that, then we can't even deal with trying to reform the school, trying to implement changes, trying to be better, trying to go from a C to an A. Right. We can't deal with those issues because we're dealing with so many negative ethical
social issues.
Ethical and social issues. Yeah. Concepts and Solutions from the Ethics of School Administration by Strike, Haller, and Soltis, not Solitis. So justice and equity, how to upload fairness in treating students and avoid perpetuating systematic biases in education. People don't want to learn if they feel as if you're being discriminatory against them. Yeah. And that's in any age, any setting, anywhere. Moral leadership, the role of a school leader is modeling ethical behavior, creating a culture of respect, and fostering professional accountability, which we were just talking about. I think we already said all of these things in different ways. And preventative strategies would be the importance of cultural competency. Yeah. The importance of cultural competency training and reflective practice to help educators identify and challenge their own biases. So we're always learning, we're always growing, especially because we're the adults. We go through things in life and then we hold it. Right. And then we have this view that's kind of skewed. Yes. Becoming a teacher has really taught me how to honestly look at the bigger picture. Right. And really don't like put a stamp on everything that is done to me. Like if a child is having a bad day, the next day it needs to be a clean slate.
Right.
Like I can't hold what they did to
That
me
day, 2
yesterday
days ago, yeah.
against me.
Yeah.
I'm gonna remember it, but I'm not gonna hold it against them.
Right.
And also more proposed resolutions, providing the teacher and cultural sensitivity with cultural sensitivity training and mentorship.
Yeah.
Y'all can say some of these as well.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So,
yeah.
I would definitely say, like hosting PDs or workshops, or implicit bias and ethical teaching. That type of stuff really supports the teacher and making sure that they are aware of what is going on, and then how they can proactively use it in the classroom.
Mm-hmm.
I think that's good.
All right. Cool. All right.
All right. Thank you so much. Have a great day.
Yeah.